Hi, my name's James Parks. I'm the offer manager here at Schneider Electric, and I look after our KQ Loadcentre and IKQ range of products here. So today we are going to look at how we simply fit an incomer into our Loadcentre boards, and then how to fit a outgoer onto the encapsulated busbar system. After this, we will look at how we can actually fit a contactor onto the DIN rail within the board because of that encapsulated busbar system. So let's start with fitting the incomer. On this occasion, we've got a 125 amp 3-pole and neutral incomer. This simply fits to the bottom of the board, fitting over the terminals to begin with, and then pushes down and clips onto the DIN rail below it. Make sure the torque settings are tightened up to the relevant settings that you'll find on the side of the device. This could be repeated using a 4-pole or a terminal block, whichever's required. It is exactly the same setup. Next, let's look at the outgoing devices. KQ uses a unique system where it has a plug-on busbar. This busbar is encapsulated within the board itself. So to fit the KQ breakers, they have got stabs on the incoming side of the device. These are fitted by ourselves, and you can only use 2 versions of this device in the KQ Loadcentre boards. The first one is the previous KQ device, and then the other option is the current IKQ breaker. These are both simply fitted in exactly the same way. The breaker is pushed in at an angle, and then the back end of the breaker is pushed down, and the little clips are pushed across to hold it in place. There is no tightening or torquing of the incoming side of the device itself. This has all been done for you. This effectively saves half of the job when fitting a miniature breaker to the outgoing side of a KQ board. To remove the KQ devices, it is a simple matter of reversing the process. Simply undo the clip, rock the breaker forwards, and pull the tongs or stabs out of the board. This simply allows you to either remove it permanently or put another device back in its place. RCBOs and MCBs are fitted in exactly the same way. Because the busbar is encapsulated in KQ and the terminals don't push out and protrude out like you find on other boards, it means that other devices, such as a contactor, could be fitted on the DIN rail when it's not been occupied by an outgoing breaker. This is simply fitted using the DIN rail clips on the bottom of the device, and then this will be cabled in as you would with any other contactor. For more information on our KQ Loadcentre offer, please visit our website se.com.